Alright gang, we're back. LAC Films. It's April 18th, about 1:10 in the afternoon. It's kind of breezy, but we're calling this one Shorty at 40, a slow rolling cruise up over South Mountain. I'm gonna go up the Monterey Pass, Civil War Museum, run a couple back roads, and then come home. Stay tuned next month for the run to Ocean City. It'll be a lot more high speed and more in depth, but it's a decent day. I'm going to go out and run around, and you're coming with me. So it's just windy, but it's not bad out. I'll take what I can get in April. We'll see you in a minute from the roadway. Okay, we're rolling about 40 on Hogbar Church Road. Hogbar Church Road. Sort of south of Waynesboro, Roundsville. I don't think I've been on this road. That's why I'm doing it. We're going to go up to the mountain to Monterey Pass, stop at the Civil War Museum for a few minutes, look around, and drive one or two back roads up in PA. Then we're coming back. So a little shorty. Springtime. I'm liking it. Penmore Road. Crossing over Penmore Road. Yeah, I'm not sure I've been back here. Falls Creek is where we're at. See ya. Okay, we're on Old Route 16. Climbing the mountain. Pretty good view from up here. Well, gang, I'm at the museum, but they're closed. They're only open for limited hours on Saturday and Sunday, so I missed it since this is Friday. I don't know if they'll be open later in the summer, but they're not open now. So I took some pictures. I got an ambulance or truck, fire truck or something. See you in a bit. Okay, we're on Charmin Road, passing Monterey Park. I'm sorry I didn't come tomorrow to see the inside of the museum, but we'll save that for a different day. I'll just go in there and stop and see what the inside's like. But it's a nice day. I'm driving around. I gotta watch what I'm doing here. Some more Shorty at 40. Okay, so where are we going here? I'm going left on Iron Springs Road. Left on Iron Springs Road. We can do that. Left on Iron Springs. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Somebody's playing golf. nice back in here. Well, it's really neat back in here. Hamilton Bond Township. Nice little cool little lake. Killer Homes. Some sort of shale plant or something up here. Okay, this might be Iron Springs right here. I think. I don't know where I'm going. Iron Springs, Greencastle, Fairfield. That's what we're doing right here. Okay, we're on Gum Springs Road, crossing some creek right here. Wish I could stop and take a picture of it. It's pretty cool looking. It's neat back in here. Imagine when the spring gets kicking, it'll be nice. Okay, we're still on Gum Springs. Not the drive I wanted to do. I wanted to see the museum. I didn't want to have all this traffic, man, slowing me down. This looks like a fun road. It's a very cool looking area. Neat homes. Really back in here. I'm glad I came up here. I've never been up this way. I'm coming back though. Very cool looking area. And maybe I'll sneak up here tomorrow and take some pictures and video with the camera phone of the inside of the museum. We'll have to see how that works. So, shout out to all the subscribers, grandsons, Jackson, Jameson, and Jensen. Now we're back to Sharman Road. We're back, gang. Made a quick stop at Misty Meadow for some chocolate cake ice cream. Excellent. It's about 2:25. I'm gonna make a slight detour. I'm going to the gas station because I'm almost out. And then we're going home. Now, like I said, I may come back up to the museum tomorrow when they're open. But this was an excellent drive. Cool little area back in there. I enjoyed the crap out of that. That's gorgeous up in there. So we're on this, we're heading down to 64. I'm gonna run into Cave Town to get some gasoline, and I'm gonna come home. Got it done for today. See you in a bit. Alright guys, gang, subscriber people who's watching this, we're back. Had to go get some gas because I was almost empty. 65 924 on the car, and I may go back up to the museum tomorrow when they're open. I forgot they're only open at certain hours during the weekend. So LAC Films, Shorty at 40, April 2025 is in the books. We'll see you next month for the run to Ocean City, just before Memorial Day weekend. I'm going down on a Tuesday, coming back on a Friday. A couple of days at the beach. Thanks for watching, gang. See ya.